ठीक है, सो आज के वीडियो पे आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू कैन मेक योर फर्स्ट 1 लाख अ मंथ एंड हाउ यू कैन मेक इट प्रीटी कंसिस्टेंट। अभी देखो, इस वीडियो पे मैं बहुत ज़्यादा डीप डाइव करूँगा, इफ़ दैट मेक्स सेंस। एक बहुत ही डीपर केस स्टडी होगी ये अबाउट माई सेल्फ एंड द अदर पीपल्स दैट आई हैव सीन हु हैव हिट देयर फर्स्ट 1 लाख अ मंथ रिसेंटली। तो हाँ, इस वीडियो पे आई वांट टू टॉक अबाउट हाउ यू कैन डू द सेम एंड हाउ टू मेक इट कंसिस्टेंट। ठीक है, before I start the video, I want to dissect my viewers into 3 different categories. So category number 1 is someone who has already made 1 lakh a month and is doing it pretty consistently. Category number 2 is someone who has never done it but is trying really hard. And the last category is someone who is just starting out and totally clueless. ठीक है, तुमने कभी you have never tested money basically. So हाँ, let's start with the video. Before starting the video, I want to make this very clear to all of you. 1 lakh a month is a very easy number and everybody should be able to do it. Everybody. If you just have a phone, if you have, what do we say? If you have internet and if you can speak English, then it should be pretty easy. English is not even the necessity, but English definitely helps. ठीक है? So, with that said, लेट्स गेट स्टार्टेड विद द वीडियो। सो अभी मैं सबसे पहले पर्सन नंबर 2 के बारे में बात करूंगा क्योंकि दैट विल मेक मोर सेंस एंड पर्सन नंबर 3 कैन ऑल्सो डेफिनेटली लर्न फ्रॉम इट। फिर एंड में आके आई विल टॉक अबाउट पर्सन नंबर 3। सो पर्सन नंबर 2, यू नो एग्जैक्टली व्हाट यू नीड टू डू बट यू हैव नेवर हिट 1 लाख अ मंथ। एंड पर्सन नंबर 3, यू डोंट नो व्हाट टू डू, तुम टोटली क्लूलेस हो। सो पर्सन नंबर 2, देखो, अगर तुम्हें सब कुछ पता है, अगर तुम्हें formulas पता है, the steps पता है, you have a service to sell, you have everything in place, then there are 2 reasons why you're not hitting 1 lakh a month and doing it consistently. सबसे पहला रीज़न एक ये है कि तुम्हारे पास बहुत सारे पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम्स है and we're gonna talk about what those are and कैसे उसे सॉल्व करेंगे. And reason number 2 is the service that you're selling or the product that you're selling is already flawed. And it's going to be super difficult for you to hit 1 lakh a month with that particular product or service. Product तो फिलहाल फिर भी हो सकता है, service it's pretty hard if it's flawed. So we are going to talk about all of that thing in today's video and it's going to be super informative. ठीक है, so person number 2, तुमने बहुत सारी YouTube videos देख रखी होगी online जहाँ पे they talk about oh this video is going to change your life, ये formula, the secret key, ये वो बोल के, but let me be honest, this video, if you do it properly, you're gonna make 1 lakh a month. क्योंकि I have been in the spot that you are currently in and a lot of the other people that I know वो भी same spot पे थे जहाँ पे अभी तुम हो। तो थोड़ा सा खुद के बारे में बताता हूँ मैं। I started when I was 16 years old into this whole money making space. Starting पे I was just trying to make few money from freelance gig, trying to sell $3 an hour content writing things. Slowly I got into marketing. Then I started with Instagram growth stuff. So उसके बाद I got into email marketing and I tried to hit 3K a month very rigorously. 3K a month is around 1 lakh something, but हाँ, I wasn't doing it. It was already a year and मैं कर ही नहीं पा रहा था. And it was so hard. I still know a lot of people जो मैं उस time से जानता था and they are still at the same place they are in. If you're one of those, then lucky for you, I'm gonna help you out. But if you are one of similar people जो बहुत time से struggle कर रहा है, then I'm gonna help you out as well. क्योंकि I did something different जो बाकियों ने नहीं किया, and that's why I surpassed the 1 lakh a month barrier and further barriers as well. उसके बाद I also told it to some of my friends who were stuck there and they suddenly quantum leaped to the next level. ठीक है, so let's talk about what those things are. सबसे पहले पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम के बारे में बात करते हैं। देखो, I'll give myself as an example ताकि तुम अच्छे से रिलेट कर पाओ। When I was starting out, जब मैं स्टार्ट कर रहा था, I thought I was working really hard and not seeing results at all. But that was a lie. क्योंकि I wasn't working hard enough. सबसे पहले बताओ तो what hard was for me wasn't even an actual work. और उतने वर्क से I was never gonna hit 1 lakh a month. And if you are working hard, if you think you're working hard as fuck, then let me clarify the mist. Let me remove the mist and the clouds and tell you that you're not working hard enough right now. You might be working 4 hours a day, 5 hours a day, and even 6 hours a day. But that's just a lot of work. That's not good hard work. तुम अच्छा वर्क नहीं कर रहे, मे बी तुम गाना सुन रहे हो, इंस्टाग्राम चला रहे हो, यू आर नॉट डूइंग द राइट थिंग्स. It's not even about right things. You are not doing optimum quality of work. So ये हो सकता है. But a lot of the people aren't even working 4 hours a day consistently. बहुत सारे लोग are working for 4 hours a day, but they are not doing it consistently. They are doing just once in a week, once in a month, and those hours are gonna be very very याद रहेगा उन्हें कि हाँ उस टाइम पे मैंने इतना काम किया था. But that was the thing that changed in me, my work ethic. मुझे पहले लगता था कि हाँ 1 घंटा इंस्टाग्राम पे क्लाइंट सर्च करना was a lot of work. Then I got into a job kind of thing. Then I realized what hard work was. And उस job पे I got paid around $150 or something. फिर I realized कि हाँ what I was doing wasn't hard work. It requires a way more work. Then I did 1 lakh a month in the next 30 days. I basically closed 3 clients in 7 days and I made a fuck ton of money. That was 1 lakh a month. But ठीक है. What I was saying is कि the work that I was doing wasn't a lot of work and I needed to do more. And I realized that and I did more work. तो तुम्हारे पास यही पर्सनल प्रॉब्लम है. तो प्रोक्रास्टिनेशन बोलते हो, ये वो सेल्फ मोटिवेशन नहीं आ रहा, प्रोक्रास्टिनेटर हूँ मैं, या फिर ओ मेरे पास ADHD जो भी है वो क्या है, अटेंशन डिफिशिएंसी है, ये वो है. सो द थिंग इज राइट नाउ तुम्हारे पास तुम एक अच्छी वेव लेंथ पे नहीं हो. वेव लेंथ एज इन यू आर नॉट एट द माइंडसेट, नहीं बोल सकते, हाउ डू आई पुट इट इन द राइट वे. You're not at the level जहाँ पे you will make 1 lakh a month with your current habits, with your current circles of friends, with your current time you wake up at, with your current work ethic. You're never gonna make 1 lakh a month unless you get lucky. So that's the thing. You need to change that things first. तुम्हारा you don't need to learn the secret Instagram DM strategy या फिर the secret Facebook ad method or something. To make 1 lakh a month, you just need to work harder than what you used to do. You just need to have a good work ethic. फिर जाके you need to think about working smart. But starting पे you need to think about working first. तुम काम नहीं कर रहे. So that can be the first reason why you're not making, why you have never made 1 lakh a month yet. है ना? So if that's the case, then you need to watch first of all my journaling video. उसे अच्छे से देखना. If you're serious about it, you will go and watch it. उससे अच्छे से देखना. फिर how to make 2022 your bitch करके मैंने बनाया है. And if you have this procrastination problem, ये वो, then that's gonna help a lot as well. उसे भी देखना. So ये दो कर सकते हो. Or the substitute of it is definitely watch those videos. It's gonna help. But also the substitute of all of these things is go and get a job. That's gonna teach you more about work. बहुत सारे ये ऑनलाइन स्पेस पे जो ये wanna be entrepreneurs होते हैं, they have never done actual job. स्कूल पे भी वो काम नहीं करते थे, and they sit on people who work. अब ये that's something that you need to change. बाद में बनना CEO, पहले थोड़ा काम तो कर लो. काम नहीं है तुम्हारे पास, कोई leverage नहीं है, you have nothing at all, no investments, and you're talking about being a future CEO who makes ton of money. You need to work first. Do that, then you can have the leverages which you can pull for further, stuffs. ठीक है? So another thing that I wanted to say is after you get a job, तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि what is real work. है ना? What I've seen, that's something that I've seen a lot of people who were bad at schools, who didn't do their homework. It takes a lot of time for them to be good at this make money online space. But those who were pretty good at schools, did their work on time, उनके पास discipline होता है. सबसे पहले it's not about even brain, उनके पास discipline होता है. And ये चीज़ people who didn't used to do good in school didn't have. So that's the thing that you need to build first, discipline. इसके लिए once again go and watch my journaling video या फिर how to make 2022 your bitch करके एक वीडियो बनाया है, उसे देखना. So after that, I wanted to talk about the next thing that might be going wrong, इसलिए you're not making money online. The thing is कि what you're trying to sell, the thing that you're providing might not be good enough. The whole system, the whole way you're trying to sell it, या फिर the pricing might be flawed. Let me give you an example. When I was doing Instagram thing, I was just charging I don't know how much. It was around $200 a month, which is okay, but to make 1 lakh a month, I needed like 7 fucking clients. and I was targeting, people, Indians को target कर रहा था मैं उस time पे. Like, how can Indian pay me like, first of all, $200 a month? क्योंकि बहुत सारे Instagram influencers के पास $200 a month नहीं होता pay करने के लिए. I know it's not that much of a money, but nahi hota. I was targeting these influencers who wanted to grow their Instagram page. Secondly, 5 to 7 clients, it takes a lot of time. Like 1 lakh a month hi ho payega agar main 7 close karunga to bhi. And it takes a lot of time to close 7 clients when you're just starting. So there was my, aha moment. I realized that there are people who are paying, $5,000 for a service. And I could have done it for Instagram. I changed my niche from, trying to close for Instagram influencers to e-commerce store. I started handling e-commerce stores Instagram, and that's where I made more money. Then I started doing emails and I started charging more. So, that's the thing. Change your service. अगर तुम 200 रुपए की followers growth service बेच रहे हो, या फिर अगर तुम, if you're trying to sell, what do we say, Instagram bot makers to random shopkeepers, whatever, देखो कि क्या तुम्हारी सर्विस सेंस बनाती है, एंड देखो तुम्हारी प्राइसिंग क्या है. बहुत बार प्राइसिंग कैन बी द प्रॉब्लम. चेंज योर ऑडियंस. अगर तुम 30 days तक, लुक, डू दिस. अभी मैं सोच के बोल रहा हूँ, बट दैट विल वर्क, क्योंकि दिस हैज वर्कड फॉर मी, क्योंकि इट टुक मी जस्ट 52 days to go from $0 to $10,000 a month. 0 to 10,000, 52 days लग गए. 1 lakh तो it's joke. It just takes like 3 days for me. अगर मैं 0 से start करूँ, and if I want a client to pay me like, 1 lakh a month, I can do it in a week or something. So it's that easy. So yeah, do this. 30 days तक पूरा मेहनत करो. Don't try to change your service, anything. Watch my videos, consistency, etc. के ऊपर. I'll suggest सभी videos देखना, but consistency and 2022 वाला जरूर देखना. And work for 30 days straight. मेहनत करो. No matter what hurdles that you see, maybe you're not getting replies, maybe तुम्हारे Instagram अच्छा नहीं है, maybe you need to, कुछ भी और मत देखो, just fucking go and do that for 30 days. And if you don't see results, then think about changing your service. Then think about changing your pricing. But if it's pricing, etc., सभी कुछ are already proven. That is, if you watched a course and they told you to do this way, and if you're still not seeing results, then just be consistent for 30 days, work 5 hours properly for 30 days, and you will make 1 lakh a month. ठीक है, but still अगर तुम खुद से invent कर रखे हो service वगैरह, and if you're not making money even after 30 days, then you need to change the pricing first. Increase the pricing, change your audience, then you'll make money. It's basically either your service is flawed or you're not working hard enough. But अगर तुम course देख के भी if you're not making money, then it's your personal problem. It's not course, it's not anything, it's you. ठीक है, so ये हो गया person number 2 के लिए. I think that's pretty much what you need. Person number 2, you can end the video, don't waste your time, end the video, go and work from today. Now let's talk about person number 3. So person number 3, तुम्हें कुछ भी नहीं पता. Basically तुम तो अभी lucky spot पे हो, क्योंकि person number 2 might be believing कि हाँ मैं कभी on नहीं कर सकता because they failed for a year or something. So person number 3, what you basically need to do is go subscribe to all of these online personalities जो ये entrepreneurs वगैरह को help करते हैं. Don't buy the course or anything because generally that's not needed. But yeah, go and subscribe to their YouTube videos, YouTube channels and consume content. ठीक है, बहुत सारे consume करो content को. Learn about this space properly. See what are the flaws, what are the good points, etc. Once you learn them enough, then just bullet fire karo in a very different directions. Try to go all into different spots. Try to learn copywriting, try to learn sales, try to learn SMMA. सब कुछ देखो, फिर जाके as you gain more experience and insights, तब जाके you'll find a sweet spot. Like तुम बहुत ज़्यादा confused हो गए, it's gonna be there, तुम्हें कुछ भी पता नहीं होगा क्योंकि you're new to it. Don't get overwhelmed. तुम overwhelmed भी होगे तो it's okay to be overwhelmed. ठीक है, starting है. So just continue doing that and soon you'll be person number 2. तुम्हारे पास सब कुछ होगा but you will not make 1 lakh a month. So what do you need to do then? Just revisit this video and then do the steps that I tell you to do. So that's pretty much it, guys. I hope this video helped. And before I end the video, I want to say कि I'm trying to give a free, क्या बोलते हैं, coaching or something, जहाँ पे you can talk to me on a call. Just comment down kuch bhi, and I'll just randomly pick someone and try to give you a coaching call where I'll help you with your whatever the stuff that you're dealing with. Okay, so that's there as well. Other than that, I don't have anything to say. Have a great day. Peace out. Video को like कर देना if you like the video, अगर मेरी points वगैरह अच्छी लगी and helpful हो, and subscribe करना if you want more of such content where I deep dive into a particular topic that I know about and dissect it. Okay, so that's all I wanted to say. Have a great day. Peace out.